Hey, welcome back to another Tasty Tuesday with Tracy. Of course, I have my beautiful, amazing little chef here, Stella, with me to help me out. And what we wanted to bring for you guys today was a fun St. Patrick's Day themed snack, right? Healthy and easy to make. What do we have here, Stella?
Rainbow something.
That's right, rainbow something. Aren't these adorable? You guys, so easy to make. So, of course, as you can see, we have cauliflower clouds and our little bell pepper rainbows, right? Such a clever idea. And then, of course, we had to do a green dip, right? So what we have for you guys is a spinach artichoke hummus. We're excited to share this recipe with you guys. It is going to be so good, so easy to put together, as you will see. She's digging those bell peppers. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put all of our ingredients into the food processor, right, Stella? And I'm gonna let you do that, but we'll show them one by one what we have here. So let's start with actually our chickpeas. This was one 15-ounce can of chickpeas that are drained and rinsed. Definitely not licking them or eating them. As tempting as they are, this girl could just eat these by the spoonful, right? Okay, so good. So we have our chickpeas, 4 cups of fresh spinach. Spinach, loosely packed in there, right? How about 1/2 cup artichoke hearts?
Where's the heart?
These are the hearts. Do you know what the heart is of the artichoke? It's at the very center, and it's definitely the yummiest part of the artichoke. Okay. What else do we need, Stella? We're going to put in 2 tablespoons of tahini.
What's tahini?
You remember what that is? So here's the tahini I have right here. This is an unsalted, non-GMO verified one. It is simply dry roasted sesame seeds. Okay, so just like peanut butter is made out of peanuts, this one is a blended butter made out of sesame seeds. Yes, thank you. Yeah, go ahead and scrape that all that goodness in there. Once she's done with that, we're gonna add in 2 fresh garlic cloves that I have pressed here, and then 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And then there's 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Put that in there. And then a little salt and pepper to taste. We will probably adjust this, but for now, let's just put in a few good grinds of fresh salt.
That's a lot.
You know, it looks like a lot, but it always seems like we need more than we put in there. So always add more, right? Okay. All right, let's get that lid on.
Everybody plug your ears!
Here we go. Okay, so I almost forgot to mention 2 special optional ingredients that you can add, but I highly recommend for sure because it gives it a nice little kick, and I think even kind of gives a little more of that classic spinach artichoke flavor. And that is a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese,
Yes.
organic if possible, and a jalapeno. So just de-seed it, take out all the hot. If you don't want super spicy, then just do half of a jalapeno, but my family is not a big spice fan, except for me. I like it. And but you didn't think this was spicy, did you? It's good, huh? Just kind of add a nice little flavor and you added to it.
Add more artichoke hearts.
Yes, that's true. Kind of play around with your artichoke hearts. It says a 1/2 cup, but we kind of like a little bit more than that ourselves, get more of that artichoke flavor. So there, I don't think you can really go wrong with this recipe. Just adjust where you need to and to the taste that you like. Okay, so now we're going to head on over and show you our next part, what we're now going to do with this yummy green dip, and what we're going to eat it with to make this super fun St. Patrick's Day themed snack. Okay guys, we went ahead and put our yummy dip that we just made, nice and green, right, into a bowl. Stella wanted to pick this cute little white bowl, and I have this clear one here so you can still see the green. We're going to show you now what we're going to do to make some beautiful St. Patrick's rainbows, right? So first of all, we have our cauliflower clouds. I love this. And then what else do we have, Stella?
Red, orange, green bell peppers to be the rainbow.
That's right. This is such a fun idea. The kids could have a lot of fun putting these together. Super easy. But just a fun way to top your hummus, your dip, or whatever it is you choose to have there. Just an adorable little look. So let's do it. Let's see how they turn out.
So like this?
Yes, exactly.
I put it in so that there's a little hoop. And then do this one. Right there.
So cute. Okay, what do you think? These turn out adorable or what? Uh-oh, you lost a cloud. That's okay, you can easily fix that. But don't you think the kids would have so much fun with that? Of course, even if you had yellow peppers, or like Stella was saying, wouldn't it be awesome? We had purple and blue peppers, right, to get that full rainbow. But even just as simple as that, I just love that adorable idea. And just, you know, any way that we can make eating veggies fun for our kids, the better. Anything to encourage them to eat more, right? So we hope you guys have an awesome St. Patrick's Day. Let us know if you try these, how you like that hummus. And we hope you have an awesome St. Patrick's Day. And we'll see you next time.
I have one more thing to add.
Oh yes, what's that?
Did you know that peppers can grow peppers inside? You don't believe me? I prove it.
That's right. When we were cutting open the green bell pepper, we saw these little mini peppers, right? Have you guys ever seen that happen?
And this one's all swirly. Like swirl.
Kind of funny how that happens sometimes.
And this one's fat.
Some goodness within some goodness, right? All right, well, before she goes and eats all our rainbows, we're gonna finish up here. By the way, if you guys like to watch our videos, you don't want to miss a thing, make sure you subscribe to our channel so that you get to